Hello everyone, my name is Stephen Charles. I am the founder of LS Cream Liqueur, which is a brand new cream liqueur inspired by a recipe from Haiti that we call kremas. So in Haiti, every family has their own kremas recipe. This is actually my grandmother's version of it. It's delicious. It's nutmeg, cinnamon, coconut, and vanilla all together. Gluten-free, all natural ingredients, and low in lactose. And today we're doing a tasting at Westchester Wine Warehouse in White Plains. Thank you so much.